Hi, this is Brian M. Curran from draftingservices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. I'm in Greenpoint, Brooklyn, and I'm at a townhouse that was recently purchased, and the new owner is going to be doing a renovation because some of the previous construction work wasn't done to the best standard. My scope of work on this project, as I just pan around quick, my scope of work on this project is floor plans, RCPs, electrical plans, and some cross sections. So there are, let's see, 5 levels, including the roof on this project. So we have like an upper roof and then a lower roof that goes into the, show you, the master suite down here. Master suite down here. So this is what I'm working on today. If you're ever in need of existing condition drawings, whether they're in Brooklyn, somewhere else in the city, upstate, the Hamptons, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Thank you for viewing my video and have a fantastic day.